Hey, how's it going? I'm Josh from 91 Tech, and I bought the iPhone 13 Pro, more specifically, 3 of them, by accident. So what happened is, when I was pre-ordering these, Apple's website was very broken when it went live at about 5 a.m. Pacific, and every time I ordered, it went to like a 404 error page telling me it didn't go through. So I had to order multiple times to get it through, and then I think on the 3rd time it worked. Problem is, I found out later, it actually did order it 3 times. So obviously not great. I don't have $5 grand to spend on 3 iPhones. That's about what it is Canadian. It's ridiculous with tax and stuff. Oh man. So I called Apple to get it sorted out, and by the time that they were able to do anything, it was already processing for shipment. But the lady told me, hey, we're gonna get this sorted. You should get an email right now saying it's gonna be returned and stuff, and I did. So I figured, okay, I'm just gonna get the one iPhone. It's all good. Well, skip to today, the day where the iPhones were going out, and apparently they weren't canceled because I got 3 of them. And going on Apple's website, it recognizes that one needs to be returned. It's confusing altogether. Obviously, I don't plan to keep all 3. I unboxed one of them, and we'll be looking at that pretty shortly here. But that's why I have 3 iPhone 13 Pros, all 256 gigs and all graphite. Quite annoying, but I'll get things sorted out shortly. And I guess better 3 iPhones than none. All right, let's get this unboxing done. So first off, the box is getting smaller every year, I feel like. Super simple. We can peel off the little tape on the back, pull off the top, which just slides off, doesn't have to be wiggled like usual. And then right away, we see the graphite iPhone 13 Pro in all its glory. There's no protector on the back anymore, which is just to reduce plastic, I suppose. And on the front, you can actually see it's paper, which I actually really like. It's nice that they're going more eco-friendly, even if it's kind of an excuse to save money by not putting a charger in the box. So we'll turn on the iPhone here and look at what else is in this tiny little thing. You've got the lightning cord, of course. It goes to USB-C, and we don't get a charging brick, which I'm not a fan of, especially because it is giving you a USB-C lightning cord. So if you don't have a USB-C brick already, this is possibly just useless for you. Of course, you can use your old charger, but still. No earbuds, of course. I missed that too. But we do have this tiny little packet. You've got the little SIM tool here, some, I guess, warranty information, and the single Apple sticker. You know, Apple's getting really cheap when they only give you one of these now. And that's about it for what was in the box. Not a whole lot. The phone itself, it's gorgeous. I mean, I really like this general design that's been around since, well, the 11 Pro, 12 Pro. I love the flat edges the 12 brought, the 11 Pro with the frosted glass I love. So the general combination of it with the 13 Pro in graphite for me is just really nice. I went with the iPhone 12 last year, so I didn't get to experience this general design, and I'm definitely loving it. It's really, really nice. The camera bump is huge, just giant. Hopefully that just means it'll take better photos. Once the phone is on, I flip it over to the front here, and right away I can already see the 120 hertz. It's super nice. But I go to set this up and transfer data. I also put on my leather case for it that I got, the MagSafe Dark Cherry leather case from Apple. It's a really nice case. I'm really happy with it. It feels good in the hand. It looks nice. You know, the dark kind of purple maroon looks really nice with the graphite back. All in all, so far, very pleased with this thing. Using the 120 hertz is amazing, and I'm looking forward to getting a review down on this thing to let you know whether or not it's truly worth buying. As always, I'll be taking a more consumer-friendly perspective as opposed to just a tech enthusiast, because there's a difference. But regardless, make sure you subscribe for that if you're not already. And with that all being said, thank you so much for watching. You can follow me over on Twitter and Instagram at 91_tech, as well as TikTok. I haven't really officially announced that yet, but yeah, I do have a TikTok page, and there is some stuff on there, so 91_tech. Maybe like the video if you enjoy my pain in accidentally buying 3 iPhones. And we have a Discord link, as always, in the description. I'm Josh from 91 Tech, and I will see you all next time.